The CEO of Prasar, Bharati, and Director General of Doordarshan, Mayank Agarwal, today visited Shillong and took review of the All India Radio and Doordarshan Kendras. In a review meeting, he took stock of the technical and program capabilities of the stations. He lauded the work done by Doordarshan and All India Radio in disseminating authentic and credible information to the people of Meghalaya through its news, cultural programs, and informative panel discussions. The CEO also urged the staff to work in synergy and produce the programs that benefit people of the state. Later on, he reviewed the production of North-East Olympic Games, which is being held in Shillong currently. It is pertinent to mention that DD Sports and DD Meghalaya are broadcasting the North-East Olympic Games on its channels. And elaborate arrangements are made to showcase talent of athletes of North-East participating in the Games.
Several times that you must remember now.
Cable is working, yeah. Many in Mizoram, I saw that cable.
Unused.
They can do